Hi friends! Have you ever seen the letter V change into a tasty ice cream cone? Watch closely. The letter V is about to change into a delicious ice cream. Now add a big 3-round scoop of ice cream on top. Let's make it extra fun and draw a cherry on top. Our ice cream tracing is complete and it looks so beautiful. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's color the cone. Orange. Don't forget to like this video. Now add brown lines to make it real. What color should we choose for the ice cream scoops? Let's use green for pistachio flavor. Yellow for yummy mango ice cream. Please subscribe my channel. Pink for sweet strawberry ice cream. Cherry is red. Now let's add some yummy chocolate on the top. Wow, friends, we changed the letter V into a yummy ice cream cone. Don't forget to try this drawing at home and make your favorite flavor. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye.